Check the Wi-Fi signal strength with your mobile device. 2 or more bars are needed for best performance. Installing a smart garage door opener can take from 3 to 4 hours and requires an extra set of hands. You can also have it installed by Home Depot professionals. Now press the yellow button on your unit 3 times to enable Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings on your smart device. Find the garage door opener to connect and complete app setup. You can also install a smart garage door hub. To be compatible for a Wi-Fi hub adapter, your current door opener must be made after 1993, manufactured by a compatible brand, and equipped with safety sensors. First, install the mounting bracket into the ceiling within 3 to 5 feet of the garage door opener motor unit and insert the hub. Plug in the Wi-Fi hub and look for the flashing blue light. Stay in proximity to the hub as you connect and complete the app process. Install the open-close sensor on the upper panel of the door with fastening strips. Be sure to pull out the tab to activate the battery. If you haven't already, install the app that controls your door unit and follow the setup prompts. If asked, be sure to enable home data. To test your system, open and close the door using just your app to ensure it's working. Next, use your wall-mounted button or remote control to open the door and check for an alert on your device. Don't see an alert? Check your settings and notifications. Now take time to explore your app, noting that you can create a daily schedule, manage users and alerts, or even link with other home automation services.